Welcome, in front of me is a Oppo A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to block a number on the device. So to get started, you want to open up your contacts, so tap on the phone and go into either if you have already the number that called you that you want to block, you can hold it and choose block, or because for me I don't really have any contact which I can create unless, okay, there it is, so I can do it like that. So you can see that assuming the number would be located here for basically recent contact, all you need to do is hold it and then you have add to blacklist, like so, add to blacklist, and now the number is blocked. You can also go into the settings, and I believe from here you can go into block and blacklist. Okay, I'll just confirm that. And here you have the number that you have blocked, which you can also add more from here if you wish to, by tapping add and then enter number if you know the number. And you can also remove numbers from here. So you just hold it and then you have the option to remove, like so. And then the number becomes unblocked. So that is basically how you would block numbers and unblock them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.